Welcome to NoSkinnyCooks. In this video, we're going to be making a really simple but very tasty recipe for Mexican green rice. It's got very few ingredients, and the only cooking that really needs to happen is some long grain rice. I'm not going to show you how to cook the rice, but it can be done on the stove or in a pressure cooker. It's your choice. The amounts shown are for a normal serving, but I'm going to be doubling this recipe as this dish is well liked, and I'm going to share it with friends. For this recipe, we're going to need a cup of long grain rice, a half of an avocado, a half a cup of green salsa, a half a cup of cilantro, and some salt and pepper to taste. Remove the flesh from the avocado. Using a food processor or even a blender, combine the ingredients and blitz them into a fine, creamy green sauce. I know that cilantro is a kind of a love it or hate it thing, so if you don't like it, you can leave it out. Just increase the amount of avocado and green salsa. The type of green salsa is entirely to your personal taste. You can use mild, medium, or hot. It just depends on how you like it. Since I'm sharing this batch, I'm going to be going with mild. By the way, I'm using a really nifty little mini food processor. It's a great little device because it saves me time and is really easy to clean up. I'll put a link to one below. Blend it for a few seconds and then scrape the sides down and then blend it a little bit more just to make sure you get all the bigger chunks. And just a quick reminder, if you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Now take the green sauce and pour it over the cooked rice. Once you have the green sauce in the bowl, mix it thoroughly until the rice and the sauce are completely combined and the rice has turned green. Now, how simple was that? There you have it. This is Mexican green rice. It's ready to go, ready to eat. This is a really simple recipe that looks a lot harder than it actually is. And it scales wonderfully, so making a big batch for a get-together or to share is really, really easy. It goes with just about any type of main dish too, beef, pork, or chicken, and it particularly goes well with my recipe for pork carnitas, which you'll find in another video. I hope it all makes sense and you want to give it a try. It tastes great, so leave me a comment if you try it. Finally, as always, please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'm trying to add content every week, so hit the notify bell if you want to get informed when new stuff gets posted. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.